Winnie Nwagi fans, who knows this song, yeah? Jagala kuwa kumbera na kumpatembera jagala kuwa kumbera. You're nice. Na kumpatembera. Who knows the verse? Let me hear you, sing.
When I gonna have a song with Shiba?
When is she going to have a song with Shiba? Mama, young paka.
I think when the right time comes, yeah, that will be perfect. What is the name of it?
Chiriko, eh? Chiriko.
Hi, Winnie. How are you?
I'm good.
So, I'm going to Uganda. This is what I'm doing. They see me. Next year.
Kati olutalo oluli wano waliwo abaagala eya Shiba, waliwo abaagala eya Sindi. Tuyisomwe gali tulabe. Abaagala eya Shiba, make some noise! Tebalina se. Abaagala eya Sindi, make some noise! Ebintu bino birimu politics. She's a record holder. She is the female artist. Actually, not only female artist, yomuku bayimbi abakasinga tuwayo concert ey'amaanyi wano mu ggwanga. Massive record holder. It's on record, yeah? Are you planning any other concert?
Not this year.
Not this year. Okay. Much together. Everyone's means. Okay, I'm taking four questions. Let me start off with you, Shiba, then to now.
You are chosen bride. What happened? What happened? Chosen bride is you. Yeah.
Mama my chosen blood. Chosen blood. See, now one day you will kill me, I swear. Yeah, but is that something you want to respond to?
I've been responding to so many questions about chosen blood, but there is nothing really. So I need to It's just a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
And we fix that.
We good. All right. 2 last questions. All right, but you're far. Come closer. Okay, Kenya.
Is Mr. Blue still there?
Mr. Blue, Kenya. He's still there?
Yeah, maybe Mr. Blue.
Yeah. Bien.
Maybe if I'm given a chance.
So Bien, when given a chance, Ben has already done a couple of Ugandan collabos, so definitely we know that Swans Avenue can work on that, right? Okay, my question on Ben, we premiere the new song. Now we're tuning on the centers of Okuba, Swaza, yeah? Sit up, sing as this.
Just not what he's saying.
Sit up, walk with me, oh, you know there's that video. When you see the video, it looks different, yeah? What it was engoro neteke omu yafunye engoro omulala nafuna taxi makwati.
That video was edited.
Hey, that is AI.
It was simply a slap.
Just a simple slap.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
You know there is that part in Batuleke where you say,
hey,
that was the part. And then that person added it to the slap, so it looked like I slapped and then I kicked.
Yeah, I'm Mukuba. Yafuna slap, yafuna yachi.
Yafuna slap, you're disrespectful. Kakuwa muntu akwata video, abata sobola kwata orijera so sekola. So when it comes to you only see my part, and it makes me look bad. But I will not stop saying I do not want to be touched disrespectfully. Yeah. So whenever it happens, I can't stop slapping. I just find myself slapping.
The slap is a reflection. And so be one. Give them much touch. Are you ready? So this is Hush, guys.
The video